It's going to be really good napping weather for us because it's pretty dreary outside as we're waking up here in Temple right now. The rain is not to I-35 just yet, so many of us for the morning commute over the next hour or so, unless you're west of the interstate, it is dry out there. But take your rain gear with you because it will eventually get here in terms of that rainfall. I'll get to the radar here in a second. 57 degrees though, trending very warm out there, and winds sustained at about 10-15 miles an hour out of the southeast, ahead of when they'll shift later on today out of the north. Cold front is slowly approaching the area. Okay, so temperatures, everybody between 55-60 right now, 56 down in Burnett, 57 in Temple right now, 56 Hamilton. So we're not going to really move temperature wise, by the way, for today. What it feels like when you step out this morning is going to be extremely similar to when you pick your kiddos up or leave work later this afternoon. That is temperature wise. The big difference and the big theme for today is the rainfall. When's it going to get here? What's the timing? You can see already our northwestern counties seeing some, I would call it light to moderate showers at this point. Earlier it was a little bit heavier and you could see the line breaking up here and there. So just be aware that this is possible for everybody today. I want to show you a couple of views to show you where it's at and just how heavy it is. You can see moderate at times. It's been raining in Brownwood for, I would say, about 2.5 hours. So this is a slow moving system, potentially some water on the roadways. If you're traveling on Highway 36 going off towards the Big Country or West Texas, likely going to need to slow down a little bit this morning. And you can see just how big this line is all the way up towards Oklahoma, down into southern Texas in the Big Country. So that's why our rain chance is so high for today. But this is just some good old-fashioned rainfall. It is not severe weather, not seeing the wintry weather that they are up north of Amarillo. So good old-fashioned rainfall, staying cool, staying breezy for today. I would say by about lunchtime is when it reaches I-35 corridor, because it is going pretty slow this morning and then pushing off east of I-35 by this afternoon into early evening, and then it will be gone. It's not coming back. We're drying out for the weekend. We're going to stay in the 50s temperature wise for today. Hardly going to move temperature wise. Actually, winds going to be breezy out of the southeast, then shifting out of the northeast this afternoon. Going to persist throughout tomorrow as well. Be aware that it is going to be windy tomorrow, even though we are going to dry out and clear out for the weekend. The rain will move out of the area, so if you have some outdoor activities over the weekend, they are not going to get rained out. You can see by mid-afternoon inching closer to I-35 and then moving off to our east, probably around the afternoon commute. It is starting to move out of most of our area. Not going to feel the effects of the front until probably tomorrow. And that is when winds are going to be breezy out of the north. Okay, so over the next 7 days, potentially upwards of an inch in some locations. That is now adding on next Thursday. Today, obviously going to get some rain, likely around on average a tenth to a quarter of an inch, potentially up to around a half an inch in our northern counties. Really nice and sunny and mild though. That is up until Thursday. Notice that high temperature, almost 70, and a chance for rain.